One of the biggest eyesores a vehicle could have is dull, hazy, yellowed headlights. And we have a solution for you with the Diamondite Restore and Protect Headlight Kit. This is an easy two-step process that will safely and effectively remove the oxidation off the lens and bring back clarity for better visibility of driving. The first step is to use the Diamondite Headlight Oxidation Remover. This chemically strips oxidation material from plastic without harming the surrounding paint. Simply scrub the saturated wipe evenly across the headlight and watch as the amber brown discoloration appears. Next, use the Diamondite Ceramic Headlight Clear Coating to restore optical clarity and produce a hard, durable finish. Plus, the ceramic protection will help prevent cracking, peeling, discoloring, or delaminating in the future. In just minutes, you have crystal clear headlights with durable protective coating that will last for years. Be sure to get your hands on the Diamondite Restore and Protect Headlight Kit at Autogeek.com.